Bye for now. Oh my word, did I have that lipstick all over my face? Okay, you guys, so you're about to watch a video and I clearly had lipstick all over my face. I apologize. Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Wednesday and welcome to the very first video in my 2020 holiday card series. I am so excited that you're here with me today. I am so excited that we are finally getting into making holiday cards and I just can't be any more excited. I've said excited 3 times now in the first 10 seconds of the video, but that's okay. So if you missed it, on Monday I posted an update video and a 14,000 subscriber giveaway. I did hit 14,000 subscribers, but we're back down. For some reason, every time I upload a video, I lose subscribers, and I'm pretty sure that's what's happening all over YouTube land. So if you want to be notified when I upload, make sure you hit the notification bell and check to make sure that you're still subscribed if you haven't been seeing my videos. My goal, like I mentioned on Monday, is to upload videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time, which is 8 Pacific, 9 Mountain, and 11 Eastern. I will probably throw in extra videos as well, but I don't want to overpromise because, as we know, I have some mobility issues due to back issues and a couple of autoimmune diseases, and I don't want to say I'm going to upload 3 days a week and then not be able to upload 3 days a week. But okay, that's out of the way. So one thing that I plan to do a couple of times, maybe 3 or 4 times, I don't have a whole lot of cards I can do this with, but I want to do a Way Back Wednesday. And so what I thought would be fun would be to recreate cards that I made several years ago. So today's image actually didn't make it onto a card. It was supposed to. It was supposed to have a part 2 video, but it didn't. This was posted in 2014. This was my second coloring video. The first was of a greeting from Anya, which I know I'll never be able to locate. But this is a digital image, and that's why I'm able to use it again. And I will have the company link down below. But I went ahead and scaled it up, cut it out with my Cameo, and put it on a card this time. So you're going to see a card. So I thought these Way Back Wednesdays would be fun to see a card that I made in 2014 and then see how my style and how my coloring has changed in, 6 years. So I hope you enjoy this. Like I said, I don't have a whole lot of cards I can do this with. Not for Christmas. I can do this with other images going forward after we get through with the holidays. But for now, I think I may have 3, maybe 4 that I can do this with, counting this one. So yeah, so I'm going to show you a little bit of the footage from that very first video. I think that was my second card video. Because before that, I'm pretty sure it was all like show and tell with the side camera and hey, that's how we did it back in those days, y'all. That's how we did it. But anyway, that's enough jibber jabber. Let's head over to the crafting table and I will show you how I turned this old image into something brand new. Guys, lipstick all over my face. So I am having to rush this video. Our internet provider is Frontier, and they are doing maintenance from like 5 p.m. So I'm trying to get this edited and uploaded before that happens, so you guys will have it go live at 10 a.m. like I promised. So I don't have the picture of the markers I used, but as always on Saturday, I will post the real-time coloring of this image, and I will share the markers then. I did decide to change the color scheme for this one. I've kept like her clothes the same, a lot of it the same, but I wanted her to be black or, really just someone really with really dark skin. And I know a lot of people like to, like Sandy, use violets as shading. I don't like the look of that. So I actually watched a portrait artist who colors with Copics and is a black man himself. I watched him color a black man's skin. And I basically used the same colors he did. Now, there are a couple of them that I didn't have that were the exact same, but they were close enough. So I'm going to go ahead and let you listen to some music while I color the rest of this. And I will catch back up with you once the coloring is finished. So you're going to see me start coloring the bow, or maybe not, but I didn't color the bow on camera because I started it with purple and I hated it. So then I colored on another girl with blue and I hated it. So I went back to this and fixed the purple as much as I could. So I'm using, I think it's called the Sweet Penguin stamp set from My Favorite Things. And I'm using it because it has this sweet holiday wishes. And initially I thought I was going to put this on purple. So you see me here with Gorgeous Grape. I'm just using my anti-static tool and then my Versamark, and then some white embossing powder. But in a minute, I'm going to decide that I don't like the purple, and I'm going to switch this to black. And you guys, I tried stenciling with some embossing paste, some glitter embossing paste. All of my brand new embossing paste was dried up. So if you know how to reconstitute it, let me know. And then I decided I just wanted like a glow behind her. So I'm using worn lipstick, Distress Oxide, and one of the makeup brushes from Amazon to create a background. I thought, because initially I wanted it to look like she was hanging in a tree. But then I decided I didn't want to mess with that. So, and I didn't want it to look busy or fake or cheap or whatever. So I just went ahead and looked like she's in front of a Christmas light. So I'm using the Scotch mounting tape for this instead of dimensionals because it's just a little bit faster. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this adhered to the card front. The card front was 4 1/4 by 11. I've squared it at 5 1/2. I decided to go ahead and cut down this sentiment, and then I'm going to adhere it with snail or tape runner to where it's going to touch the image, and then you can see me here adding dimensional adhesive underneath. And then I decided that I wanted to add some clear dots, but I don't have any. I don't have any clear dots like I would like. So I brought in the Nuvo shimmer drops that dry translucent, and I went ahead and added, I think, 9 drops just all over the place. And the only reason why I did this without testing it on another piece of paper is because I'd already used them. So that's it. I really, really love how she turned out. I think she's just as pretty as the Caucasian. You can definitely tell that my coloring skills have gotten a little better. But yeah, here she is in all her glory. I'm sorry for the picture, but time crunch and no sun. So make sure you check out the Facebook page, group, or Instagram for better photos. And I will see you Friday for another holiday card. Bye for now.